Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing the Erin Condren unboxing. While I was on vacation, this came in the mail and I'm super excited to be unboxing it because this is the planner I'm going to be using for the year 2022. If you would like to order one, the link will be down below. I believe if you are a first time subscriber to Erin Condren, you'll get $10 off your first purchase. And then I also will get some points back to build up my points. And that just means that I can use it towards other products in their shop. That's pretty much it. But anyways, before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and hit that notifications. If I sound like I'm out of breath or I cough during the video, I apologize. We went up north Alabama and it was like 30 degrees up there. So I got a little cold because of the weather change. And then we just came back to lower Alabama where it is like 80 degrees. So the weather is not doing very good for me. I do have a cough right now, but I have been taking like Mucinex and Robitussin. So we are all good with that. But let's just get right into it. So as you can see, it is a yellow box. They change it every time. I don't know if it's like every year they change it, but I know one year I had like a blue box, which I'm fine. I love the change of the different boxes and wrapping and all that stuff. All right, so it always comes into tissue paper. And let's just rip it. I haven't seen the final product of it. Oh, it's so pretty. Now I remember what I got. I couldn't remember like what I got, like the what's it called? The little cover. I don't remember what cover I picked, but now I do. So a lot of people are probably going to think this is Christmas trees, but I think it's just pine trees. Kinda. I'm pretty sure people are going to think it's Christmas tree. Let's just say it's Christmas trees. But it's multicolored trees, and I absolutely love it. It's cream colored, and then it's like a watercolor design. And it also has my name with my last name, which I thought it was cool. And then I opt out to just do a plain silver coral, which you can pick gold and rose gold, I believe. But I decided to just do silver. So this is the 2022 planner that I picked out. And I'm just going to roughly just go through it with you guys. So the first page, it just says monthly planner. If you want something you've never had, do something you've never done. So that is actually a really good quote. Then you have the 2021 and the 2022 little layouts, the small little calendars on there. Then you have a goal is a dream, and then with a deadline. So you'll list your goal and the deadline you want to take. I've never used this part before, but it's really good to have any goals. I do have my goals that I did upload a couple of weeks ago in December, so I will link that down below and let y'all see what kind of goals I'm going to be doing for 2022. Don't forget your vision. And then we start with January. So January pretty much all the months are going to have a full month layout with the month, the year, and then Sunday through Saturday. They do have the important holidays on there as well. You have notes on the right hand side. And then next, you have a little note right here. And then also, this is new to me because I don't think I've got this last time. Maybe I did it. I think I picked a different layout. But you can design this however you want. You can list your goals right here if you want. Or your goals right here, or your to-do list for the month. For each month, for January, February, anything like that. You could do like important birthdays, important events, anything like that. So I usually don't utilize this, but hopefully in 2022 I can. I just got to figure out what I want to do. I don't have the best handwriting, so it probably won't look good. That's probably why I haven't really utilized this all too well. So then also we do have just some lined paper. I think I opt out for some extra lined paper only because I do like to set up my own budget. Like I'll have my sinking funds, I'll have my what I spent, how much I got paid, how all the money is going to get broken down with. And I also sometimes like to go on Etsy and support some small businesses because they do some customized layouts for the Erin Condren planners. So I really want to try to do that. I didn't do it last year because I was saving money and everything. So this is a little bit different. So next is going to be going towards February, and it's pretty much the same layout for each month. So you're going to have your calendar layout, and then whatever you want to do with this one, like I said, any events, birthdays, goals like that. And then you're going to have your extra paper. So we're just going to skip through it. Each tab is different colors, so that is nice to know like exactly which month is which. And I think, is it all? Yes, it's definitely actually all different colors. I love this mustard color. Mustard is my favorite color in the fall. So that is perfect for August. And here's September. October, of course, it's going to be orange because of Halloween. You have November, and then you have December. So then after the months, you do have some extra notes. I believe you can actually add more notes if you want to. I did not. I think this is plenty. I'm pretty sure this is probably like 20 pages or something like that. But that is totally fine, and that is plenty for me, you guys. And then at the very end of every single planner, you do get some stickers. So these are just little tabs. I usually use this if I'm doing like the what I spend weekly, which those are fun to do. I haven't done those in a couple of years. Maybe I will bring that back. And then this is new because I haven't seen this. And it also has each year. And it also has like the important, I guess the important holidays, yeah. Or extra important holidays. So that is pretty fun. And then you also have this little folder that you can just put some extra straps in it or anything like that. So that's really, really pretty. And then on the back is also the little trees, Christmas trees, watercolor trees, whatever you want to say. So that is it, you guys. I'm so sorry that my voice is scratching really bad. I'm trying not to cough, so I'm just going to go ahead and end this video. It's very short and sweet and to the point. This is my Erin Condren planner that I am going to be using for this whole year of 2022. If you are interested in purchasing your first Erin Condren planner, you literally don't have to pick this layout or this color coral or the monthly layout. They have tons and tons of planners that you can choose from. And I highly encourage y'all to try it out at least once because you do get $18 off of your first purchase. So everything will be down below in the description. And yeah, that's about it, you guys. So hopefully y'all enjoy this video, and I will see you guys on Saturday for hopefully a budgeting video. But anyways, love you guys and see you guys later. Bye.